Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit, where we delve into the evolving challenges of electric vehicle ownership. Once celebrated for their low maintenance, EVs now face a daunting truth. Repairs are not just costly but often unfeasible. This dilemma compels many owners to part with their EVs after the first breakdown. What factors contribute to this trend? Today we explore 8 reasons why fixing EVs has become more of a headache than a solution. Reason number 8. The high cost of EV repairs. EV owners often resort to junkyards after their first breakdown due to exorbitant repair costs. Unlike ICE vehicles, EVs require specialized parts and expertise, significantly inflating repair bills. The battery, a major expense, can exceed the car's value. Replacing a Tesla Model S battery, for example, can cost over $15,000. Such expenses prompt many to abandon their EVs rather than invest in repairs. Insurance companies compound these challenges with higher premiums to offset costly repairs. Even minor accidents can lead insurers to write off EVs entirely, deeming repairs uneconomical. Post-breakdown, EVs suffer steep depreciation, further dissuading owners from repair and resale. These economic pressures, from high repair expenses to depreciating values and insurance dynamics, paint a bleak financial outlook for many EV owners, often accelerating the premature disposal of their vehicles. Reason number 7. Lack of support and infrastructure. Over the years of widespread EV adoption, it's evident that support lags far behind traditional combustion cars. Challenges like a shortage of trained professionals and exorbitant repair costs persist. Startups, lacking robust dealer networks, struggle even more, often leading to minor issues escalating into major problems and resulting in EVs being scrapped prematurely. Recent footage of numerous Teslas in junkyards illustrates this trend, despite many being in good condition with viable batteries. This situation suggests a future where all EVs, regardless of brand, may be treated as disposable commodities, akin to outdated electronics. Some companies have already capitalized on this by launching Second Life EV battery ventures, salvaging batteries for reuse in applications like solar energy storage. This repurposing highlights the substantial investments made by car makers in battery technology, shaping the future of renewable energy solutions. Reason number 6. Reliability concerns. Not all EV owners ditch their vehicles after the first breakdown. However, EVs tend to experience more frequent issues than expected, contrary to initial expert predictions. A big survey by Consumer Reports revealed that electric cars cause 80% more problems than their combustion counterparts. These problems range from battery and charging malfunctions to software issues and low build quality. While many EVs are still covered by warranty, once it expires, the cost of repairs could be astronomical. Additionally, frequent visits to dealerships can be time-consuming, with EVs often sitting at the shop for weeks waiting for repairs, making them practically unusable. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 5. Software glitches galore. Software issues are a significant and often underestimated problem for EVs. Take GM's recent struggles, for instance. The company has faced numerous software issues with models like the Blazer EV, Lyriq, and GMC Hummer. Despite numerous updates, the integration of batteries, charging systems, motors, regenerative braking, and driver assist features remains problematic. Over-the-air updates often aren't possible, forcing owners to leave their EVs at dealerships and wait weeks for fixes. This issue is compounded by a lack of trained personnel and manufacturers sometimes not knowing how to address software glitches. Reason number 4. Insurance companies know best. Today's car makers often provide multi-year warranties on new EVs, reassuring buyers. However, some critical aspects like post-collision repairs aren't covered, prompting insurance companies to step in. This highlights the high costs and complexity of maintaining electric cars, reflected in significantly higher premiums compared to ICE vehicles. Repair shops often opt to write off damaged EVs rather than undertake costly repairs due to limited resources, lack of expertise, and parts. This practice allows insurers to manage risks efficiently, even for vehicles with minor damage. Recent instances, including a junkyard full of lightly damaged Teslas, underscore insurers' reluctance to handle such cases, where even minor scratches can lead to an EV being scrapped. Reason number 3. Battery casings and sheet metal. Damaged battery casings are a major reason insurance companies write off many electric cars, often without serious collisions. Even minor scratches can complicate matters, as insurers avoid risks associated with damaged battery components, including cells. Options are limited. Write off the vehicle or replace the casing, a costly process exacerbated by the complexity of welding and lack of repair expertise at many dealerships. Moreover, modern EVs with aluminum or composite panels pose additional challenges. These materials are difficult or impossible to repair, leading to higher costs at body shops compared to traditional combustion vehicles. Reason number 2. Shortage of trained technicians. Imagine a repair shop with seasoned car mechanics whose years of experience suddenly don't apply. EVs demand specialized training, dissuading many technicians who prefer to stick with ICE vehicles. In the UK, only 10% of mechanics are certified to work on electric vehicles, and with current electrification trends, the market could face a shortage of 35,000 trained professionals in a decade. This scarcity is likely more acute in North America, especially rural areas, forcing owners to travel long distances for service. Once at the shop, owners encounter another hurdle: significantly higher repair costs compared to ICE vehicles. Factors include specialized knowledge for new technologies and safety concerns like high-voltage systems, which pose fire risks due to intricate design flaws in batteries, inverters, motors, and more. Reason number 1. Manufacturer policies, the hidden challenge. Manufacturer policies heavily influence why many EVs end up in junkyards after their first breakdown. Limited parts availability, controlled by manufacturers like Tesla, drives up repair costs and limits access to necessary components. Stringent repair protocols, often confined to overwhelmed authorized service centers, lead to intolerable wait times for owners. Even warranties, while covering major components like batteries, often exclude minor collision repairs and software issues, leaving owners with high out-of-pocket costs. This restrictive environment, tight parts control, overburdened service centers, and limited warranty coverage, forces many owners to discard their EVs after their first major issue, unable to afford the repairs or endure the delays. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Piston Pundit for your next vehicle updates and upcoming videos. See you next time.